Hello, for this quick video I'm going to show you how to use an if function. Instead of searching by fx up here, function, and looking for f or using your most recent, it's just quicker to type. You need to type equals f open argument, open bracket, click on whatever you want. In this case I'm going to click on L, which is in G17. I want to know if that equals L. I have which is a text, it's font, so I need to do a speech mark, L speech mark, and then comma, and then I need to know what to do if it's true. And if this case is, if it's true, I'm going to say yes, and if it's not, I want it to say no. And every time you write words you need to put speech marks, then you close the bracket to end the argument, and here it says yes. Then double click on the bottom right hand corner of the cell and you will see the answer for every row, and sometimes it's not an L, and that's it. And that's how quickly you can use if and find out your functions and your results, true or false. That's what it is.